Are you over the age of 75 and starting to feel like you're losing your strength, your energy, or your confidence in everyday movements? Do simple tasks like getting out of a chair, lifting groceries, or walking around the house feel more tiring than they used to? If so, you're not alone. As we age, our bodies naturally go through changes. But that doesn't mean we have to accept weakness, fatigue, or frailty as our new normal. In today's video, we're going to talk about one specific food that could help you naturally rebuild muscle, regain strength, and support overall health, especially if you're over the age of 75. Let's get into it. Section 1. Understanding age-related muscle loss. First, let's talk about something called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the medical term for the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that occurs as we age. It typically begins around the age of 60, but after 75, it can accelerate dramatically if we don't take the right steps. Muscle loss doesn't just make us weaker, it increases our risk of falls, fractures, hospitalization, and even loss of independence. In fact, sarcopenia is a major cause of disability in seniors. So what causes sarcopenia? Hormonal changes, reduced physical activity, poor nutrition, chronic inflammation, and a lack of adequate protein in the diet. The good news? Sarcopenia can be slowed or even partially reversed with the right approach. Section 2. The power of protein. One of the most powerful weapons against muscle loss is protein. Protein is the building block of muscles. As we age, our body becomes less efficient at using protein to build and repair muscles. This means we actually need more protein, not less. Many seniors simply don't get enough protein. Skipping meals, small appetites, and outdated fears about cholesterol or red meat all contribute to this. But without enough protein, the body can't maintain or rebuild muscle. This brings us to one of the best and most accessible sources of protein for older adults. Section 3. The one food, eggs. Yes. The one food that can help you naturally rebuild muscle after 75 is the humble egg. Eggs are affordable, widely available, easy to cook, easy to digest, and packed with high-quality, complete protein. A single egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein. This means it provides all 9 essential amino acids, including one especially important for seniors, leucine. Leucine is a powerful amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and build muscle. Research shows that older adults need more leucine than younger people to get the same effect. That's why eggs are such a valuable food for seniors looking to stay strong. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which supports nerve and muscle health, vitamin D, which supports bone strength and immunity, healthy fats, which aid in nutrient absorption. Section 4. How to include more eggs in your diet. So, how can you add more eggs into your routine? Here are some simple ideas. Boiled eggs for breakfast, easy to make, easy to store. Scrambled eggs with vegetables. Add spinach, tomatoes, or onions. Poached eggs over whole grain toast. A filling, nutritious meal. Egg salad. Mix with avocado or a little yogurt instead of heavy mayo. Omelet for dinner. Add cheese, mushrooms, and herbs for flavor. Aim to eat 1 to 2 eggs per day, depending on your overall diet and cholesterol levels. Most healthy older adults can safely eat up to 6 to 7 eggs per week. And recent studies show that dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly impact blood cholesterol for most people. Of course, if you have specific health conditions like diabetes or heart disease, talk to your doctor first. Section 5. Combining nutrition with activity. While eggs and protein-rich foods are powerful, they work best when combined with physical activity. Even just 20 to 30 minutes a day of light movement can dramatically improve your muscle strength and coordination. Focus on walking 15 to 30 minutes per day, resistance exercises using light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even canned goods, balance training like standing on one foot or doing heel-to-toe walks. When you pair protein intake with even mild exercise, your body is more likely to respond by building and preserving muscle. Don't worry, you don't need a gym, just consistent, gentle movement. Section 6. Other muscle-building foods for seniors. Eggs are fantastic, but variety is key. Here are some other muscle-friendly foods you should include. Salmon and other fatty fish, rich in protein and omega-3s. Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics. Cottage cheese, contains casein, a slow-digesting protein. Beans and lentils, great plant-based protein and fiber. Quinoa, a complete plant protein. Nuts and seeds, good for healthy fats and muscle repair. Make sure every meal has at least one high-protein item. And spread protein throughout the day. Studies show that distributing protein evenly across meals helps with muscle retention. Section 7. Supplements. Yes or no? That's some people ask. Should I take protein powders or supplements? In most cases, whole foods are better for seniors. They're more balanced and easier to digest. However, if you're struggling to get enough protein from meals, a low-sugar, high-quality protein shake can help. Look for one that includes leucine and is designed for seniors. Still, don't rely on powders to replace real food. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Leave a comment below telling us your favorite way to eat eggs. And subscribe for more helpful tips on senior health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are stronger than you think.